have a giveaway from ChiaoGoo. Last time I had a giveaway with them, I gave away sets of the blue Shorties. This time I have 2 sets of the red Shorties needle sets to give away. And the blue Shorties are little short needles in the larger gauge. This is little short needles in the tiny gauge, which most of us are going to immediately think socks, knitting socks on 9-inch circulars, and that is exactly what I'm using mine for all the time. These needles are, this is my own set, we're going to take a dive into there, but I wanted to tell you the ChiaoGoo Twist Shorties are surgical steel, which I understand is important to people who have metal allergies. I keep hearing that from people, how happy they are with the surgical steel. US size 0 to 3 or 2 to 3.25 millimeters. You get everything you need, you know, the end caps, the keys, the 3 different cord links, and you also get, I'll show you everything you get. But it's hard to believe that this is a whole needle set, right? Okay, let's go ahead and take a look because there's a few things I want to show you. Okay, here's my set. And first in the big pocket here, this is the needle set. Isn't that insane? You have 6 sizes in 2 different lengths. You'll use the longer ones with the longer cords that I think go up to 14 inches or 12 inches, and then the shorter ones with the shorter cords, you know, to make 9-inch circulars, which is great, which are great for socks. Now, the big thing I wanted to point out, the thing I'm so excited about, this I had this set for a while before I realized I could do this. You can attach a longer needle and a shorter needle and use the shortest cord for socks and hold the longer of the 2 in your right hand. It gives you a lot more to grip. It is a lot easier to knit on tiny circulars like this if you have more to hang on to. This is my new favorite way to knit socks. I'm so glad the person pointed it out to me because I love this set and I was enjoying the set and using it all the time, but I was attaching 2 short cords. It's a game changer when you have a little bit more to hang on to. So that's how I'm using this set now. And also just show you in the kit, you have a couple of more cords. Oh, and I don't want to forget to tell you, the ChiaoGoo cords are the best cords. You can't really see in this tiny gauge, but there's it's a plastic covered metal chain and it has no memory. It will twist, you could pack it away like this and pull it out and it would snap right back into shape, which is so nice. And here's some stitch markers and the keys and end stoppers. And they also give you an itty bitty ruler for your itty bitty needle set with the needle gauge on it. And it all fits away so nicely in the tiny case. I'm loving this set. I'm using this set all the time to create these needles with the 1 longer needle in my right hand. You guys are going to love these needles. So I have 2 of these to give away. To enter, you can click the little I in the upper right-hand corner to go to my website where you'll find the entry form. Or if you are on YouTube, you can look in the video description field below and I will have a link to my website in there. Many thanks to ChiaoGoo for this giveaway. I'm excited about this. Good luck.